And me make you have cargo tours now around because I talk to Carlton Wallace.
True, babe. I should have really talked to you. I'm sorry.
So Trevor, tell me something. You have yourself run and you're gonna go after Tony Xpressionz with Carlton Wallace? You know who I'm not, Nina?
Camille, you not understanding, no? I owe Carlton my life.
Interesting. So what you owe me? What you owe your daughter? If you see you lay down in a one board box, you make millions of for Carlton. So you don't owe him nothing. All of your debts them paid.
That's true.
Trevor, but me remind you of something. A 7 picnic, you have a live for. Well, I'm not sure about the rest of them, but make sure it's safe. You're not dead left for me one.
I'm glad me have you around me. I don't know where me that there right now. You there, I keep me on the straight and the narrow. I'm glad for that.
Where are you?
Babe, you can come sit down, you know. Alright, go and stand up.
So my reason for coming here today is to sincerely apologize to you both. I just let the childish me get the best of me. I don't know what I was thinking. You see, Camille, the truth is I told Trevor I wasn't going to be there. And I shouldn't have.
You see it, babe?
Trevor! Leave it alone.
What me and Trevor had was in the past. I've grown to respect what you both have. Whenever Trevor comes to tantrum, it's just to eat.
The fish.
Trevor? Really and truly, this not have nothing to do with you. I am.
It does have something to do with me. If it wasn't for me and my behavior in the pool, you guys wouldn't live like that.
If Trevor was honest, we would not have been at your restaurant. At least I would not have been.
Nice. Respect the fact say you come apologize for all that happened. Right now, I just want you to know say I say everything I feel in. You understand? Nah, cross path again.
I understand. My childish ways led to this. And I just had to be woman enough and come and get it off my chest.
Okay. Thanks for coming.
Well, Annie Trevor. Nicey, there's something that I need to get off my chest.